Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, in this class, we will discuss the various mineral resources of our country. Okay, the chapter name is Our Mineral Resources. Let's begin. First of all, we have to learn what is mineral. Some resources are found under surface of the earth. It's called mineral. And rocks contain different types of minerals. A rock which contains a large amount of a particular mineral is called ore. And the process through which minerals are taken out from the earth is called mining. And deep holes are dug in the earth to take out mineral ores. Such holes are called mines. Minerals are divided into two parts. One is metallic mineral and other is non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals are like iron, copper, gold, manganese, silver, mica, etc. And non-metallic minerals are salt, coal, limestone, petroleum, precious stones, etc. Now let's learn about some metallic minerals. Okay. Iron is a metallic mineral. It is used to make tools, utensils, machines, bridges, coaches, railway stations, wires, coins, and aeroplanes. In India, iron ore is found in large quantities in Orissa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Goa. Iron ore is converted into iron and steel in mills. Such mills are located in Bokaro, Bhilai, Durgapur, Rokla, and Jamshedpur. Next, manganese. Manganese reserves are found in Karnataka, Maharashtra, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa. And India is the world's second largest producer of manganese. Remember it. India is the second largest producer of manganese. Next, aluminium. Aluminium ore is called bauxite. Bauxite found mostly in Jharkhand, Orissa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Aluminium is used to make aeroplanes, automobiles, utensils, and other household items. Next is non-metallic minerals. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are three important non-metallic minerals. They are also known as fossil fuel. Now let's learn about coal. Okay. Coal is found deep inside the earth. A coal is dark brown or black in color. Coal is mainly used as fuel for running factories and trains, and also used to generate electricity. Some huge coal deposit found in Jharkhand, Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and Tamil Nadu. And coal is also used for cooking food in many homes. Next, let's learn about some mineral oils. Petrol, diesel, spirit, cooking gas are obtained from mineral oil. Mineral oil is also called liquid oil. Petroleum is a mineral oil. Petroleum is found at great depth below the earth of the surface. It is taken in form of crude oil. Crude oil refined in petroleum refineries. Petroleum is found in Assam, Gujarat, and off Konkan coast of Bombay High. And besides being a good fuel, petroleum also gives us diesel, kerosene, plastics, spirit, and cosmetics. The first area where these mineral oils are dug is called an oil field. And the first mineral oil well was dug at Digboi in Assam. Next, natural gas. Natural gas is found along with petroleum in some oils. Natural gas is used in industries and in thermal stations. Nowadays, compressed natural gas, in short form CNG, used in vehicles, and it is pollution free. Remember it, CNG, compressed natural gas. It is used in vehicles. Mineral resources are limited and exhaustible. Once used, they cannot renewed, so we should use them wisely. And we should make use of alternative sources of energy such as the sun, wind, and water. These sources of energy are non-exhaustible, do not cause pollution, and save coal petroleum. Okay students, I hope you all are understood well. So that's it for today. Thank you.